Mangwabe hate Makwela, but she didn't meet her even one day. You hate a person you don't know because Makumalo hate Makwela. Makumalo said to Mangwabe, I know Makwela, we are coming from the same place. What Makwela did wrong to Makumalo is to sleep with her husband. You know that sometimes Mangwabe have to know her business. Musamseleku promised Mangwabe that Mangwabe is the last wife, but it's not Makwela's fault that Musamseleku sleep with Makwela. Why you hate a person you don't know? Because your friend said, I hate that person. I know Makwela, we are coming from the same place. Why Makwela did it to me? Sometimes Mangwabe have to know that if they're married to a same man with Makumalo, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they know each other. But why Makumalo is complaining about Makwela? You know, sometimes those women, I don't understand them. Makumalo and Mangwabe, they already know each other. They are friends. And now they dated Musamseleku because I heard Makumalo was explaining. I want the director to ask Makumalo that why are you not hating Mangwabe? Because Mangwabe and Makumalo, you are friends, and you are friends before you are dating Musamseleku. Why are you hating Makwela? Makwela was not Makumalo's friend. They are coming from the same place. Why they hate Makwela? Mangwabe was wrote a message to Musamseleku about Mangwabe's child that don't introduce my kids to that woman's child. What? You know that sometimes that you hate a person you didn't meet even one day. Mangwabe doesn't know Makwela. Mangwabe knows Makwela on television and on social medias, but they didn't meet even one day because Makumalo said, I know Makwela. What Makwela did wrong to Makumalo is to sleep with the Musamseleku. Maybe there is something Makwela did wrong to Makumalo. Nothing. That Macele was yet Makumalo. Makumalo was asking to Mayeni and Macele that what she did wrong to them. Now Makumalo, she is going to find the answers why Macele and Mayeni they hate her. And now Makumalo said, I hate her. You understand? You know, sometimes Makumalo, what goes around comes around. Because Makumalo, she was feeling comfortable of Mayeni and Macele that they have to accept the Mangwabe and Makumalo. Why they can't do the same thing to Makwela? They hate Makwela in such a way that they are telling Musamseleku that don't introduce my kids to that woman's kids. They forgot that in Musamseleku's kids. Those wives, guys, sometimes are not they advise each other. Even they want to have a conversation, Mangwabe and Makumalo. Sometimes I don't understand them. You know, you can discuss about someone who don't insult you, who did nothing wrong to you, because Makwela agreed to marry Musamseleku. Makwela was not one who told Musamseleku that marry me. You understand? Musamseleku was the one who talked to Makwela first. So sometimes those women, Musamseleku did the same thing Musamseleku did to them. You understand? Musamseleku told Mangwabe and Makumalo that I have got my wives, 3 wives, Mayeni, Masaule, and Macele. And Makumalo was explaining that Masaule doesn't have a problem with their relationship with the Musamseleku. Why they want to hate another woman? And Makumalo, she hate Makwela only because they are coming from the same family. Maybe Makwela want Musamseleku's money, what. You understand? So sometimes those women, Mangwabe, she is hating Makwela. You don't know that person. You say you hate Makwela because Makumalo hate Makwela. Sometimes Mangwabe have to mind their own business. Because you hate a person you don't know. You understand? Even if your friend is telling you that, why are you want to take another person's grudges? And you wrote a message like that. You know that Mangwabe did not know that Musamseleku is going to give the directors that message. Musamseleku give, because Musamseleku is the producer, you understand, of Utando Nestembo, and want people to saw how Mangwabe, the kind of person Mangwabe she is. You understand? People were supporting Mangwabe. Mangwabe, you did good. You did right. What? Why she is hating a person she did not know? You understand?